What's up, everybody? Hope you're all doing great. In the next few minutes, we'll do a quick, mainly technical analysis and price analysis on Zcash. CEC is the abbreviation. That's it's a nice thing to say. So yeah, basically because it has been trending quite a bit. I mean, I think it's an interesting. Project, or I guess you could better call it a crypto in this case. But yeah, we'll mainly be talking about the technicals of the price of Zcash right now. I mean, the volume is absolutely great. It's 350 million, and 20% of such a high market cap is great as well. So yeah, before we get into it, first of all, this whole analysis is not financial advice. It's just my opinion based on a technical analysis in the end. So yeah, what we actually did was we struggled with this whole level. I mean, we kind of broke out right here, but I guess you could also extend the level a little bit to because this is not a very clear breakout. The key level is very strong. I mean, you have the 200 EMA, 618 fib of this recent bearish move, and as I said, a regular key level, I guess you could call it, resistance or support together. That's a key level. So yeah, now we actually did break it very well, and it still looks like the market is quite bullish, that there's still quite a lot of momentum in the market, bullish momentum at least. So I actually do think that even though we're bearish right now with this candle, I do think that we can find a break retest off of that 118, or in the worst case scenario 115, that full area, and actually get up to my next price target, which would be 130. So I think that will happen in the next few days. I mean, we might find some resistance at 125 again. I mean, we could consolidate a little bit like this, would still be valid in my opinion. So as I said, price target is 130, the full key level is 130 up until 135, but because we have already had such a big, I guess you could call it a bull run, I don't think we'll reach all the way to 135, but we could. So I just wanted to tell you the full key level. And from there, I do think we'll drop down again to 115, just because it's quite a strong resistance level, but also because the market is still filled with quite some fear. So a lot of people, or at least some people, will be looking to take profits. If some people take profits, price goes down a little bit, people are still filled with quite some fear, and they'll sell easier. So I think we're dropping down to 115. And as of right now, I do think that level will hold. So I guess that's a great thing if you look at it in the relatively short term, but also for the long term prospect. So yeah, that's basically my full analysis on Zcash for now. If you do have any questions about it, if you want to discuss it, then please let me know down in the comments, and we'll always open for it. So yeah, having said that, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.